Michael from Unittracker.net here with another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to change the PS1 in an OS X environment. Now before we start, I want to state a couple of things. If you have no idea what a PS1 is, and I don't mean the past generation gaming console, then I would highly suggest checking out our Linux Command Line Part 2 video, since we briefly scraped the surface of what a PS1 is there. Also, another thing to mention is that this tutorial will be done solely on a Mac running OS X Yosemite. With all that being said, let's learn about changing the PS1 in OS X. Make sure before you continue with our tutorial that you have your terminal open. The first thing that we need to do is make a note of our old PS1. So as you can see on my screen, my PS1 is *mic@laptop:*. Let's focus on this and figure out what it all means. The brackets are just things that I put there and you can ignore them. The mic inside the brackets is my username. The @ sign is used to reference the computer we are logged into, which is named laptop. The colon is a separator to the directory that we are in, which is the home directory indicated by the tilde, and then we have our closing bracket, and for looks I threw in another colon. So where and how do we change this? That answer is simple. On a Mac, you want to work with the /etc/profile file. If we sudo nano /etc/profile, we'll be working with it. You will need root permissions, so make sure to add sudo in front of your command, since a regular user can't do this. Now let's do everything I talked about and hit enter. You'll see here after doing all that it says PS1 equals and then whatever. Let's comment this out by putting a hashtag in front of it. Now on a new line below, retype PS1 equals and then some quotes. Now we have to specify what we want it to be. I want to make mine be user @host inside of brackets, but you can make yours whatever you want it to be. In order to do this, however, we will need to put an opening bracket, then \u, which is the bash code for user, then the @ symbol, then \h, which is the bash code for host, then colon, then \w, which is the bash code for the working directory, then add a closing bracket and a colon. Now if you want to add space, because if you don't add a space after, when you type, there will be no separation from the command you are typing and the prompt. Once that is done, you exit out by pressing Ctrl, X, Y, and then enter. And now we need to exit out of the terminal for the changes to take effect, so simply type exit. Now reopen the terminal and we will see that it all took effect. Finally, if on your screen you see something weird that doesn't look right, reopen your /etc/profile file and double check if it's correct or not. After this, we are finished. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to keep a lookout for a Linux version of this video and many more. I'm Michael, and we will see you in the next one.